In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to post a job on Zoho Recruit. If you're looking to expand your team by adding top talent, Zoho Recruit offers a streamlined process to help you launch new job postings efficiently. Let's dive in and walk through each step together. To begin, you'll want to log into your Zoho Recruit account. This is your central hub for managing your recruitment process, so having access here is key. Once logged in, navigate to the job openings section. This is where you'll handle all your current and upcoming job listings. Clicking on this tab will bring you to a list of existing job openings you may have, or it may prompt you to create a new one if you haven't yet posted another job. Next, you'll want to click on Create Job Opening. This action sets the stage for entering all the necessary details about the position you wish to fill. One of the first details you'll need to provide is the posting title, which should succinctly convey the role's nature and level to attract the right candidates. Following the title, identify a key contact for the position. This ensures clarity on who potential applicants or system alerts should reach out to for more information. You can then assign a recruiter or multiple recruiters from your team to this job opening, giving them visibility into the posting and allowing them to manage candidate applications effectively. Setting a target date is crucial as it helps keep your hiring timeline organized and ensures all involved parties are on the same page regarding when applications need review and decisions should be made. After this, select a job opening status from the available options to reflect where this job sits in your hiring pipeline, such as open, closed, or on hold. Choosing the right industry is also vital, as it makes your job posting more searchable and ensures it reaches the right audience. Don't forget to enter a salary range or compensation detail to provide transparency and attract candidates who align with your budget. For location specifics, you have two options. You can either add the physical address for the job or simply check the remote job checkbox if the role is remote friendly, catering to a broader range of applicants. Detailing the job description is another critical component. This section should give an in-depth view of what the role entails, including daily responsibilities, team dynamics, and company culture. Complement this with a list of requirements that highlight must-have skills and experiences needed for the job. Additionally, offering insight into benefits can make your position more appealing, so outline what sets your company apart. If you have any supplementary documents or visuals that clarify or enhance your listing, you can add them as attachments. Once you've meticulously reviewed all this information, decide whether to save and publish the listing right away or just save for now if it needs further refinement. Lastly, once your job posting is perfected, you can utilize Zoho Recruit's ability to post to various job boards, maximizing your listing's reach. And there you have it. With these steps, you're now equipped to post a job on Zoho Recruit efficiently. Good luck with finding the best candidate for your open position.